In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Bluetooth device won't pair. If your Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, headphones, or speaker refuses to connect to your Windows 11 PC, this walkthrough will guide you through a clean, reliable pairing process. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This brings up the main settings window so we can work right where Bluetooth lives. In Settings, look to the left sidebar and click Bluetooth and Devices. This is the hub for everything wireless and peripheral related on your PC. Before pairing, it helps to refresh the Bluetooth radio. Find the main Bluetooth switch at the top, turn it off, wait a couple of seconds, and then turn it back on. This quick toggle clears small glitches and restarts scanning services behind the scenes. Now click Add Device near the top. When the Add a Device window opens, choose Bluetooth. This tells Windows to scan specifically for common Bluetooth gadgets and is the option you'll want for things like audio devices, keyboards, mice, and most accessories. Before your PC can see it, put your device into pairing mode. The exact method varies, but it's often a long press on a power or Bluetooth button until you see a blinking light or hear a tone. Keep the device close to your PC and give it a moment to enter discoverable mode so Windows can find it. On the Add a Device screen, watch for your device to appear in the list, then click it to start pairing. If you're asked to confirm a code on both devices, make sure it matches and approve it. In many cases, you'll see a message that the device is ready to go once pairing completes. If pairing fails or the device appears stuck, go back to the Bluetooth and Devices page and look under Devices for your accessory. If it's there but not working correctly, click the three dots next to its name and select Remove Device. This clears out any incomplete or corrupted pairing profile so we can start fresh. With the device removed, click Add Device again, choose Bluetooth, and repeat the pairing attempt. Make sure your accessory is still in pairing mode and nearby. A second clean attempt after removal often succeeds because Windows rebuilds the connection from scratch. That's it. By refreshing Bluetooth, using Add Device correctly, ensuring your accessory is in pairing mode, and removing any failed entries before trying again, you can resolve most pairing issues on Windows 11 quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get connected.